Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2021 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. Coming in this nice white color, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 2.4-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities. We got rear park sensing in the back, we got a little tow hook right here, backup camera, roof spoiler with roof rails as well, some nice looking rims on here, we got black out trim, a little lock and unlock button with blind spot detection, heated door mirrors, turn light indicated mirrors. We do get a remote start, perfect for the cold winter months. Got a nice black decal on the hood, recovery hooks, and that nice Jeep grill. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space with a cargo area mat, cargo cubby holes, hooks and doodads, lights, 12 volt, got hooks and doodads down here, and you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does see a 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather, black cloth interior with the red stitching, floor mats, carpet interior, you got the nice Trailhawk logo right there, plenty of door space in the back, rear vents with 115 volt outlet, USB, and we do get cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth and leather interior we saw in the back there. We've got the Trailhawk logo stitched into the leathering. Plenty of door space up front with powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 107,993 kilometers. Got this nice leather up steering wheel, cruise control, toggle for screen, phone, voice, toggle for your modes, and volume behind the steering wheel. We got a digital speedometer, vehicle info with fuel economy, trip, stop start, audio, messages, screen setup, settings, and to my right here we got a gear select. We do get traction, parking brake, and auto stop auto start, cup holders with storage below. We do get four-wheel drive hill and four-wheel drive lock. So four-wheel drive low, we got auto, snow, sand, mud, and rocks for drivetrains. We have an aux, USB, 12 volt, and dual climate up front. We have your tune, volume, mute, park sensing, screen on or off, hazards, storage below. And looking here, we have our infotainment system here. You have your full climate controls up here and down there, totally up to you. Got your radio controls with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. Media controls right here, so this is where you're going to connect your phone. All your apps will be found in here. Heated steering wheel, heated driving seat, heated passenger seat, phone control settings, and shifting to reverse. We do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LB02139A, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.